All right. So, ito na lang. Good morning to everyone once again. So, let's have a review ng naging quiz natin last time. Let's see kung tandaan niyo pa, ha? Hopefully tandaan niyo pa. Kasi our lessons, isang lesson lang tayo. And siguro by this week, tapos na natin yung ating lessons. And next week, ang inyong examination na. All right? Next week na nga ba? Let me check the calendar. Oh, yes. Next week na nga. So, by June 10th, June 10th, kasi next meeting Wednesday is June 1st na. So by next week ay finals nila. All right? Finals na. So within this week, tatapusin na natin ang lessons. And then by next week finals na. All right? Friday next week. All right? So here we go. So what does ICT mean? Ano ba ibig sabihin ng ICT? So it's
Information and Communication Technology.
all right. So in communication with S again, information
Information and
and
Communications Technology.
all right. Thank you. Very good, no? With S. So dito ang nakalagay is intonation and conclusion technology. So disregard yun na to. So it's information and communications technology. Okay. Next is, so this image is referring to what? Anong kayang ano?
Private and public.
Ayun, no? So remember the difference between private and public information. Yan. So that's B.
That is B.
So yun yung mga rules natin, no? So third is, anong kaya yan dyan?
A.
A. So always use the internet with your parent guidance. Okay? So that's A yun. Ngayon lang nag-highlight yung A. Number 4. Your Mac might be infected or your PC might be infected. So may pinapa-download. So what should you do? So you should you avoid
B.
private? Ayun, B raw.
B.
Do not try opening the site. Do not try downloading, okay? It might harm your computer or your Mac. Yeah. Number 5. So this is A. So nagbago tayong image, no? This is a chat room. Right? So which one kaya 'yon? So
A.
okay, so that's letter A. So avoid private and public chat rooms, bulletin boards, or forums. All right. And this one, nag-blue screen siya, no? It's showing a lot of errors. Ayan.
B.
So it's B, no? So ang A kasi is always use the internet with a good purpose. While B, report to your parents, guardians, or elders if the site you are in has problems. Okay. So I'm going to elaborate here, no? Once ang blue screen ay nagpakita, yeah, once ang blue screen ay nagpakita ng ganito, make sure to report it agad-agad sa inyong parent. Okay? Kasi, pag ganito na, it has errors. Ano? Your computer already has errors at kailangan ng maayos agad. It has to be fixed. Alright? Ayan. So, pag nagpakita yung blue screen na yan, something serious is happening on your computer. Alright? Number 7. So this image is showing nagre-research ang mga students.
A.
Alright, so A. Ang bilis. So A is always use the internet with a good purpose. Yan. So siyempre, yung report to your parents, yun yung kanina, no? Yung mga nauna kaninang image. Right? It is a kind of software designed to destroy a computer or network. Malware. Yan. It's B, malware. So yung hardware, these are the peripherals, and these are the peripherals, the tangible items or the tangible devices na kino-connect na sa computer. No? And then number 9 and 10. Give at least 2 kinds of malwares.
Spyware and Trojan horse.
Spyware,
Worm.
Trojan horse, ano pa? Worm,
Spywares.
spyware.
And
Masabi ng spyware,
virus.
virus.
Infect.
Meron pa isa. Yung meron ding where.
Worm.
Okay, nasabi na rin. Masabi na yung virus, worm, spyware. Ano yung pa isa pang where?
Trojan horse.
Yung isa pang where? Spyware, then starts with the letter A.
Infected.
Starts with the letter A.
Malware.
A yung ano, A yung kanyang ano, first letter. Sige, try natin to think. Try to remember. A. Tapos may where. Oh, nalimutan na talaga. Please read.
Adware.
Adware. Okay, adware yung isa nyo nakalimutan, ano? And the last is the Trojan horse. Yan. So those are the malwares that could infect your computer. Yan. Or and your devices, ano? Pati mga phones natin, kaya niyang pwede niyang pasukin. Okay. So we're going to internet contents and ethics. Yan. Noon ko pa nagawa yung ano yung these slides, ano. So let's see. Right, so tanda natin na through the internet. So ito na ating magiging main topic, main discussion for today. The internet content and ethics. Okay. Oops. Sabi ko na nga, wala eh. So yun, ano nangyari dito? Okay, sorry. Kailangan ayusin ko muna. Naka-hide yata. Naka-hide yata. So this is our last part na. Last part na ng ating discussion. Okay? Kung matatapos natin today ito, and then, so ibig sabihin by Wednesday, Friday, activity tayo or quiz. And then next week, review na lang tayo. Okay, so through the internet, gamit ang internet, no? Today's different activities are getting easier, no? Yung mga ginagawa natin, mas napapadali na. Yung mga pag-research, kaya nun, di ba? So yung connection to the internet gives opportunity to a person. So gaya nyo, like me and you, di ba? So, yung internet kasi nagbibigay sa atin opportunity para ma-access yung World Wide Web. Okay? So that's WWW, the World Wide Web. Okay? Samina, please read the definition. World Wide Web is a collection, please.
World Wide Web is a collection of websites or web pages stored in web servers and connected to local computers through the internet.
All right. Thank you, Samina. So, so the World Wide Web, we can compare it sa a library. Do you know what a library is?
Yes.
The library is, anong meron sa library?
A place with a bunch of books.
Right. So napakaraming books, no? Where you can read and you can research and you can learn from them, di ba? Marami tayong pwedeng matutunan through those books. So we can compare it to a library, ang World Wide Web. And it has a lot of pages with different information. So that's World Wide Web. Napakarami niyang pages. So in just one click, using your mouse, in just one click, the internet gives you the data and information you need. So guys, sa library, pwede mo ma-access ang mga books and you can get all the data and information that you also need. So kasama na rito, yung ilang related knowledge tungkol sa isa-search mo. So anything that you want to know. And you can see them sa World Wide Web. So syempre, gamit ang internet, makakapunta ka sa mga iba't ibang web pages. Okay? So lahat ng mga information na yan ay makikita natin by using an internet browser. So, di ba napag-aralan natin before? Yung internet browser ay kailangan natin ng internet browser for us to be able to connect to the internet. Diba? There are four things that you need for you to be able to connect to the internet. First is the
Browser.
browser. Ano yung third? Nakalimutan na. Yung may antenna?
ISP.
ISP, tama. ISP is the one who's going to give you the going to provide the internet service. So isa pa, may isa pang naiwan.
Modem.
Yun, modem, very good. So isa to sa mga requirements, no, the internet browser or the web browser.
Kalimutan ng multimedia computer.
Yes, so that's the first one. So all of the information gamit ang internet ay pwede nating mabuksan or ma-access gamit ang internet browser or web browser. So si ano naman? Si Calix. Calix, please read.
Is an application used to access the view website.
Okay, thank you. So, ulitin ko lang, no? It's an application. Application is a software. Tanda, there are hardware, software, and peopleware. So, yung internet browser or just browser, okay? Wag natin pahabain. Browser na lang. So, browser is an application or software used to access and view websites. Okay, so for us to be able to access the website, kakailanganin natin ang browsers. Okay? So examples ay yung example ko dati ay Chrome,
Browser. Ay, Google
Google
Chrome.
Google
Microsoft Internet
Explorer,
Explorer, Apple Safari, Mozilla Firefox, and Microsoft Edge.
Okay. Itong Internet Explorer na to, actually, wala na to, no? So, napalitan na siya nitong Microsoft Edge. Okay? So, yung mga newly installed na Windows 10, yung mga naka-Windows 10 ngayon, wala na kayong Internet Explorer. Ito. Yung Microsoft Internet Explorer, wala na yan. It's already phased out. So, yung ginagamit natin ngayon, aside from Chrome, aside from Mozilla Firefox, is the Microsoft Edge. Okay? Tandaan na. So, wala na to. Wala na tong Internet Explorer na to. Okay? So, sinama ko lang kasi nasa module. Okay? So, aside from researching, pwede ka rin maglaro, di ba, ng online games. Yan. So, pwede ka rin maglaro. So, ano pala laro to? Have you seen
Minecraft.
Minecraft, okay?
All the Minecraft.
Sino na nakapaglaro ng Minecraft?
Ako po.
Yun, halos lahat pala nakapaglaro na.
Hindi
Actually,
po sa laptop. Sa cellphone lang po.
sa cellphone, okay lang yun. At least, ano, actually, ako talaga, personally, as a teacher and as a parent, kasi siyempre, I also do have kids, inire-recommend ko, no, sa mga games, okay? Sa mga games, inire-recommend ko ang paglalaro ng Minecraft. Kasi talaga, yung creativity, no, yung creativity ng isang bata like you ay ma-enhance sa paglalaro ng Minecraft. Okay? Kasi marami kang mabibuild dyan eh. Di ba? Ano na mga na-build nyo? Okay, so yung mga nakapaglaro na ng Minecraft, ano na mga na-build nyo sa Minecraft?
Nag-build ako ng bahay.
Doon po
yun. Yun, hindi pa po
Mansion.
gumawa po ako ng free space.
Wow.
Tapos, ano po, floating island na may house.
Wow, floating island. Mahirap gawin yan.
Opo.
So siguro castle naman, ano? Yung bigay mga malaking castles, gawin naman yun.
Bata nag-alala ng Minecraft.
So yun, ano? So yun ang maganda, no? You can play, ano? Gamit ang internet. Pwede ka makapaglaro ng online games. So pwede ka ring mag-online photo editor. This is a photo editor pero online. Okay? Okay naman, pwede ka rin mag-browse ng what's this? Okay naman, pwede mong i-browse ang mga sites gaya ng Google Maps. Okay? Yung Google Maps, if you want to see yourself,
Nag-Google Map po ako.
yan.
Ay, mali pa po. Google Earth po.
Masaya mag-Google Map, ano? Even Google Earth. Yan. At syempre, aside from Google Earth, pwede rin mga social medias, gaya ng, what's this?
Facebook.
Facebook. Okay, very good. How about this one?
Twitter.
Yun, Twitter.
Binili ni Elon Musk.
Nabili na ba? Wala pa akong balita kung nabili na ni Elon Musk eh. How about this one?
Instagram.
Instagram, ba? Galing ah.
TikTok.
Ayun, TikTok. So yun ano, so pwede mo ring access yung mga yung mga social medias like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, TikTok yan. And there are also some web applications that can be found in your browser or mobile device. Ang tawag dyan ay mga apps. Okay? So, sa mga phones natin, yan, meron tayong mga applications. Okay? So gamit niya, ang tawag dyan ay apps. So these apps, yung mga apps na yan ay this will help you to connect to the internet also. By also using this app, you will be able to use bookmark, makapag-send, saka makapag-read ng mga emails, organize a calendar, and marami pang iba. Okay? So gamit ang kung gamit ka ng mga web apps, actually mas safe ka. It is safer to use web apps because yung mga web apps they work without the need to download or install in your computer or any device. So through those web apps, you are safe and protected against virus and malware. Tandaan nyo na, kung halimbawa may mga apps na kayo na ganyan. So it's better for you to use them instead of the usual na browsers. Okay, balikan lang natin email. Email is Calix, please read.
Is method of exchange messages
between
people using electronic devices.
Okay, thank you. Since Thomas naman next, kamali ako ng tawag. So binalikan lang natin yung email So explain ko lang yung email kasi is para yung ordinary mail. Okay? Parang ordinary letter. But matatanggap mo yung email through the use of internet. Yung pwede mo matanggap ang email in just seconds. No? Another similarity of email and ordinary mail is they both need an exact address. Ano ulit tawag sa address?
Email.
Email address. Okay? Email address, So sa ordinary mail, so sometimes they called it snail mail. Snail. What's snail? Do you know what snail is?
Yung may shell.
May shell. Ano ba sila? Mabilis o mabagal? Mabagal. So yung ordinary mail, ang tawag sa kanila is snail mail kasi matagal sila bago matanggap. Okay? Snail mail ang tawag sa ordinary mail. Yan, no? So yung mga gaya nila, they need exact address ng bahay nyo. Okay? Like, sabi natin, 2020 San Pedro Street, Mendez Núñez, Cavite. Gayon. So it's yun ang mail address. So the same with email, it requires an exact email address para mapadala ito. So example natin dati is cmaraclaire@yahoo.com, di ba? So bago makapag-send ng email, kailangan alam mo yung email address. Okay? Next, any question pala muna so far?
No.
Okay. One of the most popular features of different social media today is chatting online. Okay? Through video or text. So ito through text. This naman is video. So this is text chat, this is video chat. So ito ay very popular, no? Ito ang sikat na pamamaraan para makapag-communicate sa mga kaibigan at pamilya all around the world. Okay? Tandaan to, no? So, text chat and video chat. So, there are a lot of web services that offer this kind of communication. Gaya ng Skype. Okay? This is ang pag nakakita ko ng blue icon with letter S na ganyan, so it's called Skype. At kahit noon pa, pinakasikat kasi before free lang ang paggamit ng video conference sa Skype before. So isa pang example is kung saan yung gagamit natin before, Google Meet. Okay? Google Meet, kaya sa mga nagbibigay ng video conference, nag-offer ng video conference. What's this? Anong mga icon na to? Zoom meeting, okay? So itong gamit natin ngayon is Zoom meeting, no? Next is this is called Microsoft Teams. Okay, Microsoft Teams. I-check ko pala, no? So yung first natin is Skype, okay? Number Skype yung first. Then next is Google Meet. Yung third is Zoom meeting. Fourth is the Microsoft Teams. Yan. Next is so siguro sabihin natin this is the most popular here in the Philippines nowadays sa pagdating sa text chat and video chat. So what's this? Ano kasi tingin niyo yan?
Messenger.
Yun. But to be exact, it's called the Facebook Messenger. Okay? Facebook Messenger ang tawag. So meron tayong 5, okay? Paki-isa-isa nga. Ano yung unang icon natin?
Skype.
Skype. Next is
Google Meet.
Google Meet. Next. Ito.
Zoom.
Zoom. Yung may letter T.
Team.
Microsoft Teams. And lastly is
Messenger.
Facebook Messenger. Okay? Don't forget the Facebook. Yung Facebook Messenger. Yan. So yun yung mga ilan lang. So those are the some of the communication apps, communication softwares na pwede natin magamit for us to be able to communicate to other people around the world. Okay. At dahil nga, ang internet ay ginagamit by millions of people, each time that you're connected to the internet, maraming bagay-bagay ang pwedeng mangyari. No? So it's not only us here in the Philippines are using the internet, but also outside the country. So pagdating sa ethics, we're going to continue ethics, it's just tumatawag si Miss Maya. Okay? I'm just going to accept the call. Maybe she's going to tell me something. Okay? So, for further lessons, I'm just going to see you on Wednesday, okay? So that's it for today. So tandaan yung 5 ha. May 5 tayo. Tapos may mga browsers, emails. Ano pa yung mga natutunan natin ngayon?
Email.
Okay. Yung mga browsers, ano yung mga browsers natin?
Multimedia.
Mozilla.
ISP company.
Okay. Yung mga different browsers. Ano yung mga browsers natin? Sige, anyone.
Safari.
Safari. Okay, Apple Safari.
Microsoft Edge.
Okay. Yung merong Google.
Google Chrome.
Google Chrome.
Zoom.
Yung Zoom is for video conference naman, For communications naman. Ginagamit sa communications ang Zoom. Okay?
Facebook Messenger.
Okay. So ano rin ang tawag sa sa ordinary mail?
Email.
No, meron tayong dalawa. Meron tayong email. Ang email gamit ang internet, ang ordinary mail ginagamit via airmail, So yung ordinary mail ang tawag ay yung mabagal. Anong tawag sa mabagal na na animal? Yung kanina, yung
Snail.
Snail. Yes, snail mail ang tawag. Tandaan yung mga 'yon. Okay, I think that's it. So para meron pa tayong para meron pa tayong ma-discuss sa Wednesday, okay? Hey, thank you so much first and second graders. before I leave, before we leave each other, any question?
No.
None. Okay? Okay na. So thank you so much. Just going to see you on Wednesday, okay? Wednesday. So pupunta tayo sa ethics na tayo. Okay, thank you so much and see you on Wednesday. Thank you.